How to log out or sign out of Stocktwits app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to safely sign out of Stocktwits application using your mobile device. First things first, open the Stocktwits app and make sure you are inside. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap the menu button. In the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and look for the sign out button in red and tap on that. Once you tap on the button once, you'll be logged out immediately of the app. Just make sure that you type in the correct credential whenever you sign in next time. So that's it, you have successfully signed out of your Stocktwits application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.